Good evening, students. Today we will solve some revision questions of chapter 11 Money. In our last class, we had already completed this chapter. Okay, and today we are going to discuss the questions of revision which will help you to solve them. So, look at the first question. It is written 3 geometry boxes cost rupees 316.50. The cost of one geometry box is dash. So, if the cost of 3 geometry box you know, then the cost of one geometry box will be what? You have to divide the amount by 3. Okay? Now we come to question number 2. To change rupees into paise, we do what? We have our options here. Divide by 100, divide by 1000, multiply by 100, multiply by 1000. See, we are converting rupees to paise. Okay, then what we do? We have already told you the method, we multiply. And by what? That also we have already discussed about it earlier. So it was multiplying by 100. Okay, so if we will convert from paise to rupees, then what we will do? From a smaller to bigger unit you are converting, means we always divide, and when from bigger unit to smaller unit we convert, then we always multiply. So that concept only we have to follow here. Next, question number 3. Rajat bought a 3 kg rice for rupees 285.75. What is the cost of rice per kg? So if the cost of 3 kg rice is this much, then what is the cost of 1 kg rice? Means you have to divide the amount by 3. That is 285.75. You have to divide by 3. So whatever answer you get, you check it from the options. Now, the next question. Cost of 2 kg mangoes is rupees 180. What is the cost of 500 grams of mangoes? See, cost of 1 kg mangoes is what? It will be half of 180, because 2 kg mangoes cost is rupees 180. So 1 kg mango means half of 180. Then 500 grams stands equal to half kg. So 1 kg half is half kg. So half of what you have got earlier, the amount, after taking out half of 180, whatever amount you have got, from there again you take out half. So that will give you an answer. Now we come to question number 5. Rohan got rupees 345.60 back from the shopkeeper. If he paid rupees 1000 to the shopkeeper, what is the cost of the item bought by Rohan? See, it's very simple. How much Rohan gave and how much he got back. If both we will subtract, okay, then whatever answer you got, that is the cost of the item. Now we come to question number 6. Question number 6 is you have to just do the division. Now let us move to question number 7. Question number 7 is you have to just do simple multiplication, rupees 46.95 into 7. And number 8 is you have to convert paise to rupees. You know what you have to do. You have to divide by 100. So for division by 100, what we do? From right side we count 2 places and we put a decimal point after that. Now we come to question number 9. Question number 9 is what? Raj's mother asked him to bring 725 packets of sweets for his sister's engagement. Each packet costs rupees 350. She asked him to give the sweets to all his relatives. After distributing the sweets, 270 packets are left, which she returns to the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper deducts rupees 20 for each packet on return. How much money does Raj get back? See, this question is very simple. How much packets are left? On that only we have to do our calculation. The number of packets left is 270 and cost of one packet is 350 rupees. Now, this amount that the shopkeeper can give back to Raj is after deducting 20 rupees from the original price. Your original price was 350 one packet, but now 20 rupees is deducted, means it will change to 330 rupees. So 330 into 270, because the number of packets left is 270. So 330 into 270 will give you your answer. So see your options, which is equal to 330 into 270. Find out. Now let us come to question number 10. You have to just simply add rupees 2016 and rupees 4153.56. Now let us come to question number 11. Question number 11 is, a lady bought a sari and a sweater for rupees 3489.50 if the sweater cost rupees 743.75. What is the cost of the sari? See, it is so simple. How much price, the total price the lady gave for sari and sweater, from there you deduct the price of one item, that is sweater, then you will get the price of the other item very easily.